Welcome. Today I've got something not quite German for you. It's a collaboration between Wiha and Xiaomi. They came up with this beautifully designed microbit set and even got a Red Dot Award 3 years ago. Nice. By flipping this package over, you can clearly see there's no German heritage whatsoever visible. So, let's open it with my really nice new Japanese made knife. I don't think that a own video would be worth it. It's still just a knife. Whoops, please don't cut yourself. And after taking the foil off, you can clearly see there's a really nice matte finish on the packaging that looks almost Apple-esque. You can clearly see by looking at the package that design was the main focus on it. And here it is. We have the really nice aluminum case with a warranty card on it. And on its sleeve there's a feature list with a tip-on mechanism and 3 things I cannot read. Sorry, I can't read Chinese anymore, but enjoy work. Yes, of course, I will. Thank you very much. I don't know if you can read Chinese or see what it's written there, but if you want to translate it, please do it down in the comments. And of course this ribbon holds this case closed. And there we see the really nice Wiha logo on the front. On the back there's nothing special to it, but using this tip-on mechanism for the first time and sliding these bits out really feels good. It is a quality product from the get-go. I'd wish we had field vision right now, but it's not invented yet, because the first touch of this anodized aluminum feels good. The turny thingy turns smoothly without scratching. The bits are easily removed from its case and it's used due to the clever magnetic setup. You have a neat overview of your bits in its case. But let's look at the bits closer. On one side of the 4mm hex there's the Wiha logo stamped in. The Phillips head is minute but is still crisp in its appearance, and for reference that is a 000 size Phillips head. The Phillips heads come in the size of 000, 00, 0, 1 and Phillips 2. Slotted heads come in 1.5mm width and 2mm, 3mm and 4mm. And thanks to Apple for this abomination of Pentalobe 2 and 5 screw heads. Torx 2, 3 and 4 are of the regular kind, but Torx 5, 6, 8, 10 and 15 are of the security kind. We only have 2 hex sizes, 1.5 and 2mm. And last but not least, a 2.6mm pick nose spanner, a tri-wing size 1 and a triangle with 2.3mm size. And I'm sure if you need another specialty security bit, you'll find them on the Wiha page. And as much as I like this really neat organization with the stamped-in markings and printed labels, there's one big flaw. It is prone for scratches. There's scratches everywhere, and this is the case as it was new. Shocking, I know. But what is it good for? Well, first thing that comes to mind was opening up some Apple products with those pentalobe screws. It is surely also great for doing work on your notebook or repairing an old camera. Well, this project wants to be a lamp someday, I guess. Just one of those projects that seem to never get finished. Not to mention all those weird gadgets and thingamabobs you can come across. Okay, here comes the verdict. I love the fit and finish. I had my doubts that an anodized aluminum handle would work, but it simply does and is comfy. Just a nice tool pleasing to your eyes and your hands. It is stored neatly in a slim case, perfect for any bag. I don't use my Flumig kit with their changeable blades anymore. My Wiha Pico Finish screwdrivers collect dust. And even my beloved old-school Proxon set has now an equal opponent. I simply prefer the Wiha. And that wraps it up for today. Bye. Oh, and there's no need to buy crap like this anymore. Just stay away from it.